far as ET is concerned, we again evaluated various vendors from the very big to mid-size to ET also. What we liked is that they were one of the principal partners, of course, of Salesforce. They had a and what critically swung the deal in their favor is that we felt they were quite flexible. They are willing to work as a team, and their understanding was CEAT was perhaps the best within a short span of time. So that's really made the decision making easier. I never felt that we are working with a vendor. They integrated very nicely. It was a very small team but very capable team, and they integrated very nicely with the CEAT team.
We not only looked at their implementation experiences that they have already done, but we also were very interested in looking at how eager these people are to get it done for us. That's where we chose ET, because the eagerness, the business understanding was much better. The entire project team from ET had been very aggressive in taking the requirements that they need, and that's what we precisely wanted.
So my experience with working with ET Mallabs was fantastic. One, I really appreciate, this is a development process too, and this is how we visualize Salesforce will be and actual Salesforce when it comes. And the journey is this gap. We were at a stage where we had some data and no great CRM working, and to finally expect a Salesforce kind of thing, something finally implemented. They first understood the gap from us, played it back to us, saying this is what we have understood. And the best thing which I liked in this whole journey is doing the process mapping is to continuously help us visualize that what will be the end state be. ET Mallabs at a various point in time came back to us saying that, this is how your final output be, this will be your requirement, and they have gone beyond the call at times.
ET Mallabs has contributed extensively in the fact that having done this kind of business before and using the templates, so that the ability to have a predictive delivery becomes so much more better.
We have aligned with ET Mallabs, and they've been helping and working with us, like understanding the business processes, and they've helped us to transform this K-12 sales and marketing and service delivery process for us. Going forward, we plan to work with them for the higher education and other business units for the same kind of initiatives. So it's good to partner with ET Mallabs.